And so today, we're gonna unbox, unwrap Mavis. For some reason, Mavis came like this. I don't know, but... And here's the truck that came with it. So let's start with unboxing. And since the package is like this, I could just do that. Oh no, why is it rusty? Hold on, I'm gonna check the battery on this thing. Okay, just a little disclaimer. When you're buying things, you have to see if it's still working. Because when I got my Mavis, it wasn't working. But I fixed it now, I guess. I just have to get the motor out. So I just... It's a bit slow. There goes Mavis. Slow Mavis. Happened here, we probably had a lot of water play in the past, but it's fine guys, it's still cool. It's fine guys, so let's take this for a video. I forgot to show you. Oh, the face. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!